Hello everybody, this is Click and Cliff and I'm going to show you how to build a little tractor. And here we go. Hello everybody, I'm going to show you how I build my tractor in classic Lego set, and here we go. I'm going to grab a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 2x6 and a little hitch, piece, and I'm just going to lay it down like that for right now. I'm going to grab a wheels assembly. Now we can take the tire off, put it on, a little 2x4 here, and I'm going to set it half and half like that. And then I'm going to do that on both ends. Put it right there so we can get a little color going. Anyway, then I'm going to get me a 2x6 and I'm going to put it right there on that. I'm going to get me a couple of these. 2x3s. Put it like that. And then we'll have me another 2x6 on top of it to make it like that. And I got two of these slopes. We'll put one on just like that. And basically, then I'm going to grab me a smokestack, a little cylinder, put it. Basically, that's our open cab tractor right now. This is a class of bricks. Then we're going to grab, for the trailer, we're going to grab a 4x10, I call them, plate, and 1x10 brick. I'm going to put it on the sides, just like so. I'm going to grab a 2-stud brick and put it like so. Okay, and then we're going to flip it over. I'm going to put a ball in right there, a 2x6. I'm going to put right there, then 2x3 plate. We'll put it like that. Then I'm going to grab two more wheel assemblies and put one on front and one on the back for a wagon. And I'm going to snap together for a hay wagon. Of course, it wouldn't be a hay wagon without some hay bales. So I'll just grab me some couple yellow bricks here. And that'd be it. There is our tractor and trailer. Simple, easy build. And you always can put a minifig in there, like so. And have a hayride. Guys, if you like this, please hit that like button down below. Please leave a comment. Let me know what you think. And please subscribe to Click and Cliff if you haven't done so. Remember, y'all, clicking ain't easy, but it's fun. Let's get tractoring. Oh.